你那几根还打吗？这几根还打吗？这几根。
Today we will introduce our diet. Hello everyone.
Welcome to our living show.
I'm Stella. This is Michelle. 再重新说。
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our living show.
Hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to our living show. I'm Stella. Okay, today we will introduce our garden tools for you.
Okay. First one we will introduce pruners for you.
Okay, that's this one. This is the single color handle. And for the blade, material is 50 carbon steel, and the surface treatment this is polish and can easily open and close. And then here is a button. Yeah, you can see it's easy to close and open. For this handle color, we can, as you require, the customizing. And this button color also can, as you require, the customizing. You can see here, it is open and close.
Okay. Let's go on next one.
This one is double color, and for this part is PP. The purple color is material PP, and the green color is TPR. And for the blade, the material is 50 carbon steel, and you can see here the surface treatment is polished, and here is the Teflon, and the hardness is 48, and here is a button can easily open and close. You can see here there is button closed and open. Yeah, and here is a spring. It can help your hand count parts. Yeah, you can see it's very easy. And this for the handle color can, as you require, the customized. And for this pruner, the MOQ is 2,000 pieces. If you have a small demand, you can tell us, but the price may be a little higher, and the color may be our regular color. If you want to custom the color, you should reach our MOQ 2,000 pieces. Yeah, what's this?
like this. And the card you can OEM your
Brand.
artwork.
Yes,
We
artwork.
can print the card with your artwork. Can be with your brand and your own color.
Okay, welcome to our living show. Okay, like this. The package is a sleeve card. Yeah.
Yes, this is a blister, sliding card.
Yes, sleeve
Yeah,
card.
this package is sliding card. You see, the card thickness we can do as your requirement.
Yeah, yes.
And the
The blister
blister
thickness also can as your required did it.
yes,
General, our blister the thickness is 3.5 mm and the card weight is 600 gram or to 700 grams. And if you special demand, we can as your required do the sleeve card and the blister.
yes. This pruner it is a rigid tail.
Yes, Richard. No.
Yeah, we can show.
It's very luxury. You can see here is a button. It's very easy. Yeah, you can see here the material.
Yes,
The upper blade material is SK5 and the below blade material is 50 carbon steel. And yes, and the handle material is aluminum and TPR. For the handle color, can as your requirements did.
yes.
As
Also, we can leather
that's
logo.
your logo.
Yes, we can leather logo on the blade.
Yes.
See?
And for this ratchet pruner, the MKO is 2,400 pieces. And for this part, this handle part, this color can as you required did. You just send your Pantone color number. And you can see this here a brush. You can clean your blade when you use.
It's a very good function.
Yes. And the package is also sleeve card, like you can see like this sleeve card. You can send this sleeve card. You can send your artwork. We can as your requirement print the content like your logo and your barcode.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, you can see. Okay, let's introduce next one.
Okay, next one.
Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, you can see this package is sleeving card. You can see it easily open. And for this pruner, it's the black material is 50 carbon steel, and this part, the surface treatment is polished, and this part is the telephone, and you can see the handle. It's deep plastic, the PVC deep handle. It's very unsleep and
Anti-slip.
anti-slip, and you can hear is a button can easily open it, and this help screen help you protect your hand. Yeah, you can see it's very easy.
Yeah,
easy.
also have different type of spring
Yes.
like this.
Hello, welcome to our living show.
If you have interest on this share, you can leave a message to us.
Yes, our customer manager will respond as soon as possible.
Yeah, if you need the catalog or press coating,
Yeah.
just can leave your email. We will send it to you for checking.
Yes.
Okay, for the spring,
Yes.
you can see how to tap.
Yes.
This is one type spring.
And this is another type. You can see different type and the
Yeah, some
different-
customers like this type.
yes and some customer like
like
this
this
one.
type.
Yeah.
Both type with good quality and
Yes.
well function. I see.
Yes, just for different style. And we can
How,
we welcome to our living show. Yeah.
for the blade hardness, you know.
Yes, this blade hardness is 48 HRC. Yeah, 48
Normally the hardness it is 48 to 52
yeah.
HRC.
Yeah, 40.
Just enough
Yes.
for hard to cutting any shears.
Yes. General, this pruner the cutting diameter is 1.5 to 2 mm. Yeah.
Yes.
And for this pruner, our MOQ is 2,000 pieces. And this quantity can customize your like color for the handle and printing or laser your logo on the head blade. Yeah.
Welcome to our living show. We are introducing the pruning shears.
Yes, if you are interested, welcome to your messenger. We would like to send our catalog or price list for your reference.
Okay, for this package you said?
Yes.
Yeah, package.
No, still not. Yeah, this package is slid card. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
Also, normally the shears packaging, they are sliding card.
yes, like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The paper card, we can do the printing as your required artwork.
Yes,
You
like
just
this one.
yeah.
You can see.
So just send us your artwork and we will print and packaging and that.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can here your
Yes.
barcode.
For the packaging, you can OEM your brand, normally with their product name
Yeah.
and
Yes.
with on the back side with the barcode, just for your in-stock or other stock.
Yes.
Yeah, and also have the product size, let's say 8-inch or paper pruner, and with your article number, just
Yes.
as you like. On the back side, also you can draw in some products picture.
Yes, size picture
Yeah.
and some introduce warming remind.
Yes, and for the card color, you can do the same with product.
Yes.
Like this, the product color and the card color. It is also both green,
Green,
same
yeah.
green color.
It
It
looks
is-
very beautiful.
Yeah, looks very nice. I see. Okay, we can go now.
Yes. Let's do the next one. You can see this one pruner. The blade material is 50 carbon steel and the surface treatment. This part is the polished and here is this part is the Teflon and for the blade hardness is 48 to 51 HRC
Welcome to our living show.
Yeah, if you have any interesting items, welcome to leave your email address. We will send our catalog for your reference. And welcome to follow us for no many hand tools or garden tools. Yeah. Okay, let's go on. For this pruner, the handle is PP and TPR. For the green color, it's PP, and for the purple color material, it's TPR. It's very anti-slip
Yeah,
and
comfortable for
yes,
holding.
yes, holding and soft,
Yeah.
very comfortable. And you can see here is a button.
To control the opening and closing.
Yes, and here is a spring.
Yeah, you can see the different screen
Yes,
with same function.
yeah, this spring and very light. You can adjust for as your hand. Yeah, and then it's very easy open and closed. And open.
Welcome to our living show.
Welcome. Okay, for this one, what's the package?
Packaging also a sliding card.
Yes, general is a
Sliding
sliding card.
like this.
If you want to do other package, we can also add your required. But the general regular package is the sliding card, like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. For the card, you can send your artwork. You can add your required printing your logo, and for some pictures, and for the back part, you can print your barcode or other content as you want.
Yeah. Normally the backside customers will leave it blank.
Yeah,
Just
yes,
only with company's information or some barcode.
yes,
Just
you
for
can see.
your
Yeah.
slot.
Yes, for the
Yeah.
barcode and
Some
logo and some
product description.
yes description for the product and some remand.
Yeah.
The sleeping card. And the MOQ is 2,000 pieces. But if you have a small quantity demand, the price may be a little high, but we can, as you required, the production. And then for the regular color have a small quantity MOQ, and but for if you customize the color should meet our MOQ 2,000 pieces.
Okay. Let me introduce this here for you. Yeah. This is also a envelope pruner. The size is 7.34 inch, and you can see this is a green color. The customer OEM the 306 Pantone color number is very nice, and you can see the blade with leather logo. Also, if you have this requirement, you can leather your logo on the blade head. The surface you can see this black Teflon, and the other blade it is green Teflon. It's very beautiful. Also, if you like the same color, you can do both black or both gray color.
Welcome to our living show.
And this is the button to control the opening and the closing. You can see here. This is the button.
Yes.
way opening, and this prune shear have two level. You can see with two different cutting capacity. You can see two type cutting range.
Hello, welcome to our living show. If you have any interesting item, welcome to leave your email address here. We would like to send our catalog for your reference. Now we are introducing is the garden pruner.
Yeah, if you have interest for this tab, you can leave a message for us. We can send the price to your email. And for the handle, it is two color. The black, it is TPR material, and the green part, it is TP material. You can see TP material and TPR grip. It's very anti-slip and comfortable for holding. You can see, and the handle is big is big enough for holding. The handle is long. You can see, and the handle color we can OEM as your required Pantone color number. Just the MOQ has to be 2,000 pieces.
Yes.
Yes, and also normally we just let the logo on the blade head. It's a little hard to print logo on the handle because the TPR material is not very stable for printing logo. It's very easy to destroy and lost. And for the sheer packaging, also it is sliding card. You can see sliding card.
Yes.
Yeah. And for the sliding card, the card we can printing as your artwork. You can design it as your like with your brand, article number, and product name and product size. Also can OEM your color. You can do the same color with the product. Yeah. The card and the product with same color, it will look nice. The both color, it is 306 C Pantone color number. You can see. And the blade material, it is 50 carbon steel, and the hardness it is 48 to 52 HRC. It's enough hard to cutting. You can see this is a very good quality shear. If you like this, you can leave a message to us for asking the price or catalog. Okay, let's go on next one.
Okay, that's this one. And for this one, the package, you can see it's also the sliding card. You can open it. You can open it very easily. And for this one, you can see this is another type of pruner. For the blade, the material is 50 carbon steel, and the handle is aluminum and PVC. You can see the purple color is PVC, and this have a button and easy opening. And here is a spring, can adjustable the pruner easily. You can see it's very easily open and close. Yeah. And then you can see here is the protect. Yeah. See. And for this one, this pruner, our MOQ is 2,000 pieces, and you can, as you require the OEM the package, and for the blade we can printing or general is larger your logo on the blade, and for the PVC parts and the PVC this part we can do your like color. You just send your painting color number to us. We can add your required to it, and for the OEM we can OEM the package sleeping card. You just send your artwork to us. Yes, like this. We can add your required printing your logo brand and some pictures, and for the back card, the barcode or other content like the product size and some warming element. Yeah, and for this pruner, we can also do different package. If you want the double blister, it's also no problem, but the price will be a little higher than the sliding card package. Yeah. Okay, you can see we have introduced many different type of pruners. Like this one. Yeah. You can the different handle and type of blade. This one is PP and TPR double color handle, and this is PVC and deep hand as unsleeve. Yeah. For this one, it's aluminum and PVC handle.
Yeah, and the inside part it is aluminum alloy handle.
Yes.
And the purple part it is PVC dipped handle.
Yeah. And then for this one is a single color, and the material, the PVC, the handle material is PVC. Welcome to our living show. Now I will introduce our garden pruners.
Yeah, we are introducing the gardening pruners. If you have interest on any of this type, you can leave a message to us. We will send the prices or our catalog to your email. You can leave your email to us.
Yeah. Yes, for this pruner, general our regular package is a sliding card, and we can also add the required do you like package like double blister, and bulky package is also no problem, and the price is also different in the different package. And for the package, we can as your required do the paper thickness and the blister thickness. Of course, general our blister thickness is 3.5 mm, and the paper thickness we general is 600 to 700 grams.
Yeah, and normally the MOQ for the shares it is 2,000 pieces. At this quantity, we can OEM your required color. You can tell us your Pantone color number, then we can do as that. Like this. This is the 306C Pantone color, and this is a purple color, and this is also other green color.
Yes.
You just tell us your required Pantone color number, then we will do that as you required. And also, at this quantity, we can laser your logo on the blade head. You can see leather logo on the blade head.
Yes.
Normally, it's very less customers required print logo on the handles. You can see no much big space to print your logo.
Yes.
Just let the logo on the blade head. It will be nice and it's enough. You can see for the handle material, normally it is PVC dipped handle and also double color PP and TPR material, both anti-slip and comfortable for holding. You can see this.
You can see this ratchet pruner.
Yes, also have the ratchet pruners. It will have a good function to cutting.
Yes, and it's for the have the three yeah.
Yeah, and for
This ratchet pruner, the MOQ will be higher than this one. This time this ratchet pruner MOQ will be 2,400 pieces. Yeah, and the price is also a little higher than the regular pruners.
yeah, but the function it is better than the common shears.
Yes.
You can see.
Yes. General, the pruner cutting diameter is 1.2 to 1.5 mm. For the ratchet cutting diameter will be 1.5 mm. Yeah. Yes.
If customers want to mix the different types with many type pruners, possible less quantity.
Yeah, yes, if place order in many type of pruners and MOQ, we can give you some.
If you mix the different type pruners, such as 6 type or 10 types, maybe one type's quantity can be 1,000 to 1,500 pieces.
Yes.
Also can OEM your brand or color and your required packaging. We can discuss that when we have the requirement for the different type shears.
Yes.
Yeah. Also, you can mix the pruners and also together with the loppers or head shears.
Yes.
The quantity can be a little less.
Let's head shears like
Yeah.
this one. Okay, next one we would like to introduce some big pruner. Yeah, this package shears.
Yeah.
You can see this package is sponge and the general